Picture this: a cozy living room filled with the laughter and rhythm of a tight-knit family. The lingering scent of home-cooked dinner still in the air, a lively tune fills the silence, transforming dinner into a spontaneous dance-off. As each family member reveals their go-to dance moves, hidden talents come up to light. Grandma's skillful twist, Uncle's funky robot, and Mom's disco groove. The baby, nestled safely in a bouncer, watches wide-eyed, little feet kicking in excitement. And then it happens. An infectious giggle erupts from the curl-lipped baby, causing the room to fall into cheerful chaos. Each twirl, leap, and silly dance move only amplifies the baby's joy, resulting in a chorus of baby giggles that reign over the rhythm of the music. This display of endearing